Welcome to the video on Introduction to Contract. The Indian Contract Act 1872 is based on the principles of English common law. If we go by the section 2H of this act, it says that an agreement which is enforceable by law is called as a contract. Now, agreement and enforceable by law are the two essential elements required here. So what is meant by an agreement and how does it become enforceable by law? To understand it more better, we'll go through four more terms written in this Contract Act. First one is offer, second is acceptance, third is promise, fourth is consideration. Offer. Let's start with the section 2A of the Contract Act. It says that if a person signifies his willingness to do something or abstain from doing something with a view to obtain the assent of that, it is called as an offer. Offer is also known as proposal. Let me take an example at this point. A Mr. Rajveer who goes on his morning walk meets his neighbor, Mr. Kamal, and he says, "Hey, I wanted to sell my puppy for 5,000 rupees. Are you interested?" Let's pause this example. Here, Mr. Rajveer is offering his puppy because he thinks or he wishes his neighbor to accept that offer. Moving on, acceptance. Section 2B of the Indian Contract Act says, when a person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent to it, it is said to be accepted. Let's move back to the example. If, on hearing the offer, Mr. Kamal says, "Yeah, I'm so happy to have your puppy. Can I come today evening itself?" Here, it means that the offer has been accepted. Third term is known as promise. Whenever an offer and acceptance comes together, we call it as a promise. Every promise and set of promises is said to be calling with consideration is said to be an agreement. So what is consideration here? Anything which is given in exchange. 5,000 rupees in exchange of the puppy is considered as the consideration. So to summarize, when an offer is accepted, we call it as a promise. When a promise carries along with it a consideration, we call it as an agreement. Now moving on to the second half of our definition. When does an agreement become enforceable by law? To become enforceable, both the parties must give their free consent to it. Second thing, the parties involved in a contract must be competent enough to enter in. Third, the object involved in the contract must be legal. The consideration given in exchange to each other must be lawful. And finally, the agreement must not be expressly declared void. Thank you.